How to edit your listing on Varagesale. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. Alright, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can edit your listings on Varagesale. So kindly watch to the end. Okay, the first step is to log in into your Varagesale account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will go to the home page automatically. On this page you'll see options, you'll see different items, different beautiful items that you can get on Varagesale. All right, so once you can see this, the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can see 5 icons, namely the home icon, notifications, post, inbox, and then your profile icon by the lower right corner. So the next step is to click on that profile icon, which is located by the lower right corner. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to the page where you see your profile picture, your profile name, you'll see your city, you'll see other options as well, which include my stuff, my transactions, following, manage my communities, top members progress, my friends, setting, help. And then the next step is to click on my stuff, because this is where your listings are located. And then once you click on my stuff, all of your listings, all of your items will be it would appear here. So the next thing to do is to select the item that you would like to edit. Okay, so once you've selected the item, you'll be brought to the items page. All right, you would see options such as edit or delete. Just go ahead and click on edit. Once you click on edit, the you'll be taken to the editing page where you'll be asked to edit title, description, or whatever. And then once you've done all of that, you click on post my item, and then the item would be edited just like that. All right, so this is how you can edit your listing on Varagesale. Very simple, so ensure you try it out. Thanks for watching.